Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to use the new asset browser in Blender 3.0. First, create a folder on your computer, then open Blender and delete all things and add a UV sphere and duplicate the UV sphere about 3 times and apply shade smooth on all UV spheres like this and give them a material. First go to material preview and give them a material and give different colors. Give them different colors for all spheres. Now we have added different color to all spheres. Now we are gonna we are gonna save the material of these spheres. First, save the file by go to save as and add the file to the folder that you prepared before. So save the file there and rename it to whatever you want. In my case, I rename it materials and save that. Now we can open asset browser and mark these materials to the asset browser. In order to mark that, go to the material and mark every object as an asset, as you can see from this. Now you can also add a catalog. So now if I select these two objects and add these to the catalog, now you can see the two objects are added to the catalog. You can also add multiple catalogs and add the other objects to this catalog, and you can add also a sub catalog to the catalog, as you can see from this. Now we are gonna close this file. First we need to save the file and close the file and open any Blender file and go to asset browser. Now you can see if we change to this material, we have made this, we have imported these materials easily. Now we can apply to the cube easily. You can see from this. Now this is how you apply the material to the object. The next is the world. First delete every object and go to the shader editor and change this to the world and delete this background and add HDRI image, environment textures, and open HDRI image. These images are found from polyhaven.com. You can download that. You can add multiple worlds and add different HDRI images like this. Now, as usual, we can save the file we prepared before the file, as we prepared before. Next, we need to save the file. Select this and we need to mark these objects, these worlds as an asset, as you can see from this. All 3 objects, we need to mark them as an asset. Now you can see from this, when we open the new file, they will be added to that new file. Now we have set it to the current folder. Now we need to save the file and close it and add another new Blender file and go to asset browser. Now if you change to the worlds, you can see we have loaded them in this new file, so we can now drag them into the world and we can change wherever we want, as you can see from this. This is very simple and this is very effective when you change different scenes, different lighting scenes, to make them different lighting scenes. And you can also add these materials and change their properties by go to the world. As you can see from this, it is also already applied. The objective is the